All right, I can see that I will have to teach you how to be villains.
Sticks, you've been nominated for an Awardy Award! They really need a better name for that thing.
Ooh, let me see. Oh, wait, I can't read.
Give me that.
Not now, Amy. I'm busy.
Oh, please don't cut me, Knuckles. Today turned out a lot different than I expected.
Now listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you wanna be a villain member.
Burned food just doesn't taste the same without Amy.
Knuckles, you're eating a napkin.
Yeah, I knew that.
You have to chase a superhero on the run. Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound.
Eggman, did you and he perchance battle yesterday?
Oh, we battled all right. I remember like it was yesterday.
It was yesterday.
What was?
I've got you now.
Oh no, I guess we have no other choice but to give up. Hey, that's not how it... Shh.
I'll handle this. Now, you've made me mad.
What a dreamboat!
I want to be just like you when I grow up.
Knuckles, you've been elected governor!
All in a day's work.
Yes, I understand. The training is quite rigorous. It's okay if you're not capable.
Capable is my middle name.
I thought your middle name was The.
Eggman's been a lot more creative lately, don't you think?
I try not to.
Now look at this net that I just found. When I say go, be ready to throw. Go! Throw it at him, not me! Oh, let's try something else. Now watch and learn. Here's the deal. You slip and slide on this banana peel. What are you doing?
Get it?
Not at all! But I never leave a hog hanging. Thanks for making me your lawyer. I couldn't be more proud if you'd done it because you actually believed in me instead of because you think this trial is a joke.
Well, I'm glad my contempt for the situation worked out for you.
Where'd it go? Some party, huh? My mouth feels like it's full of socks. Oh, wait.
I scoured the coastline. Bupkis. I searched the jungle. Zilch.
I just finished lunch. Nice, fresh potato salad.
Knuckles, we can't find sticks. We've searched everywhere.
Not everywhere. Okay, now we've searched everywhere.
Knuckles, your hat is on backwards.
Where'd everyone go?
We are number...
Anyone else hungry?
Nah, I'm full. When the luck balance of the universe shifts against you, just get it all over with as quickly as possible.